Hello everyone, my name is Neha Shikre. I'm a yoga teacher and a therapist. So in today's class, we are not learning something, but we are just doing a flow together, so that we can learn how to get into from one asana to the another. So come, let's do it together. So first, we'll start with Adho Mukha Virasana, where we have to keep our toes together, spread our knees out, slowly forehead down, and stretch your hands front. Lengthen your spine. This will be your measurement for mountain, so we'll move ahead and go up in mountain. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Pull your belly, chest lifted. Push the floor away from you. Lengthen your spine and we'll stay here for a few seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly from here, we'll join our knees feet together. Slowly inhale and lift your right leg up in the air. Toes pointed up towards the ceiling. Make sure you're not tilting your hips to the other side. Be neutral, hip square, and we'll stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly from here, bend your knee, try to touch your head to your forehead. Exhale and move forward. Inhale and go back. Exhale and forward, move your body forward in plank position. Inhale, go back in mountain again. Exhale and forward. Inhale and back. Exhale and forward. Inhale and back. Exhale and forward. Inhale and back. Last one, exhale and forward. Inhale and back. And slowly from here only, we'll take our right leg forward, outer side of your right hand. Focus more on pushing your hips down, chest lifted, lengthen your spine, and stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Slowly from here only, we'll go one more variation here. You can drop your back knee down, go down on your forearms, and then take your back knee off the floor and stay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back knee down. Come on your palms. Take your right leg back again. From here, move your body forward. Go down Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Again, feet together. Left leg up in the air straight without tilting your hips to the other side. And breathe. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend your knee, forehead to your knee. Exhale and forward. Inhale and back. Exhale. Inhale and back. Exhale. Inhale and back. Exhale. Inhale and back. 2 more rounds. Exhale. Inhale and back. 1 more. Exhale. Inhale and back. Slowly from here, take your left foot forward, outer side of your left palm. Focus on pushing your hips down, chest lifted, look ahead and breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your back knee down, go down on your forearms. Focus same, hips down, chest lifted, look ahead. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back knee down, be on your palms, leg back, move your body forward, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. And then you can take a pause in Adho Mukha Virasana. Catch your breath. कितना टाइम हुआ?
4 minutes 30 seconds.
Okay. Again, from here only, we'll come up in mountain again. Feet together. Right leg up. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now take your right leg forward in between your hands. We'll get into Anjaneyasana. Back to relaxed. Focus more on pushing your hips forward to feel a lot of stretch on your quads. Lengthen
your spine, keep arching. Inhale, take your hands up, Parvatasana, and breathe. If possible, look in between your thumb. If you can't balance there, lengthen your spine and look ahead. Stay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly from your hands on your waist, without disturbing anything, slowly push your hips back. Try to straighten your front leg. Exhale and bend forward. If you can't balance here, you can take your hand support. Exhale and bend forward. Stay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. Now from here only slide your leg inside and sit in pigeon. Ekpad Raj Kapotasana. Make sure your front heel and back heel should be in one line. Lengthen your spine. Keep your hands by side of your chest. Pull your belly in and keep lifting. Look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here only forehead down. Stretch your hands front. Make sure your hips are not shifted on one side. It should be square and stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. Be on your palms. Tuck your back toe. Take your other leg back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet together. Left leg up. Breathe. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take it forward in between your palms. Anjanasana. Focus on pushing your hips forward. Again, feel the stretch on your quads. Lengthen your spine. Stretch your hands up and stay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hands on your waist. Push your hips back. Straighten your front leg. Be on your heels. Exhale and bend forward. You can take support of your hands. Lengthen your spine. Keep going down and stay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come ahead. Slide your leg inside. Sit in pigeon. Front heel, back heel should be in one line. Hips square. Lengthen your spine. Keep arching back and look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Forehead down. Stretch your hands front and breathe. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. Again, take your leg back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. And Adho Mukha Virasana, resting. So here you can rest and slowly from here for a back bending more practice. From here only without changing your hands and leg position. Inhale and just move your body forward. Come up in Bhujangasana or Urdhva Mukha. From here only go back in Adho Mukha Virasana. Counter it. Inhale and forward. Exhale and hunch. Inhale and forward. Exhale and back. Last one will hold here. Inhale and forward. Keep lifting your chest up. Open your chest, open your shoulders, lengthen your spine and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly go back. In Adho Mukha Virasana, you can rest here as long as you can. Counter your back. And then later practice, you can practice Ustrasana also, and you can go for your back bending practice also. It's up to you what you feel like doing it. Slowly from here, you can sit and relax in Shavasana. That's it for today. Okay, bye. See you in the next class.